Now it's time for Getting Legal with Tim Misny.
55th Street Diner is one of my favorite places to be. You're one of my favorite people to be with, Tim Misny.
Right back at you.
Getting legal is something I always learn something on. You have been helping people, and most of them just regular folks, you and me kind of folks,
Right.
for 33 years now,
Yes.
with medical malpractice and birth injuries and catastrophic injuries. But, birth injuries, I've always wondered, what is the time period? How long can you noticed 5 years later. Tell me about that.
Right. John, in any kind of negligence case, there's something called a statute of limitations, and that is a statutory period in which you have to bring a claim. In most negligent cases, it's a 2-year statute, okay? Car accident, slip and fall, it's a 2-year statute. In medical malpractice cases, it's a 1-year statute. In birth injury cases, it's a 1-year statute from the child's 18th birthday. So in effect, the child has until they're 19 years old in which to bring a claim. Now, what's interesting to know, John, in some cases where the child has not had the mental capacity, let's say they were traumatized at birth and they suffered permanent brain damage, and they are unable to bring a claim, the statute never runs. So in effect, I don't care if the injury to the child happened 2 weeks ago or 20 years ago, I need to look at it, and if there is negligence, I'm going to make them pay.
You always do, Tim. And so when you suspect this, how do folks get a hold of you?
John, it's real simple. You call me at 1-800-55-MISNY. You can visit my website, misnylaw.com. And John, I got to tell you, if I take the case, I meet with a client personally, and each of my clients get my direct dial cell phone number, because oftentimes, John, my clients' concerns don't conveniently fall within the 9-to-5 confines.
I love that 24/7 stuff. Thank you, Tim.
Thank you, John.
You bet.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. This has been Getting Legal with Tim Misny, sponsored by Misny Law.